Let's take a look at Park Assist. So you have 4 sensors in the front, you have 4 sensors in the back. So as you're pulling into your garage or as you're parallel parking, your car is going to begin to beep at you, letting you know you're getting close to either the wall of your garage or another object, maybe a car. Okay, so as at 3 feet, you're going to hear it beep. And the closer you get to the object, the closer the beeps get together until you hear beep, and that means you're about 1 foot away from the object and you want to be very careful. You'll also get a display that shows you what direction you're getting close to. Is it directly in front of you? Is it over to the left? It'll indicate where you're getting close to that object. So you can use this to not run into your garage door, other cars, things of that nature. But you can also use it to park closer to objects because you may not be able to see over the hood of your vehicle. So when you get out, you think you're right on top of the car in front of you, whereas you have about a 2 foot clearance. This will allow you to park closer while parallel parking, makes it a lot easier.